There's something magical about puddles, isn't there? Just think about it. A rainy day turns into a playground for our furry friends. I mean, who doesn't love watching a dog leap into a puddle, splashing water everywhere? It's pure joy. Those raindrops caught mid-air like tiny diamonds remind us that happiness can be found in the simplest moments. When a dog jumps into a puddle, it's not just about getting wet, it's about embracing the moment, letting go of worries, and just having fun. It's a reminder that life is too short to avoid a little mess. So next time it rains, grab your pup, head outside, and jump right in. Because puddles plus joy equals happiness unlocked, and that's a recipe we all need more of.